Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing a nice pasta bake. In Italian it's called pasta al forno. Today I'm doing, instead of meatballs, I normally make this dish with meatballs. Today we're doing them with ricotta balls. So something a bit lighter. Being in Australia, it's still middle of summer, it's still very hot, so a lighter dish is always a good option. Okay, so if you do want to make a meatball one, I do have the meatball recipe on my channel, so just make the meatballs, follow that recipe for the meatballs, and just apply it to this dish. Now, making the meatballs is very simple. Same amount of ingredients with a lot of our dishes, just a handful of ingredients. We'll go through all of those. And the first thing we'll do is we'll get into how we make the ricotta balls, and then we'll make the sauce, and then we'll put it all together. Okay. Here we go. There's our passata, our onion and carrot for the sofrito, olive oil, some breadcrumbs, fresh continental parsley chopped, 1 egg, some ricotta cheese, some pecorino Romano cheese, some mozzarella cheese. There's our cream, we're using light thickened cream. There's our beautiful penne, our salt and pepper. And let's get started. Okay, let's make the ricotta ball mix. Ricotta goes in. Breadcrumbs. Cheese, parsley, salt, pepper, egg, 1 egg. Mix it all through. Just use a fork. Oops, losing some of it. Okay, it's nicely combined. Now we shape them into little balls. I like to make these bite size. That way they cook nicely in the sauce. Get the kids to help you, make sure they wash their hands. Nearly done. Last. That's it. Now we make the sauce. Okay guys, the pan's on, put the pot on for the pasta. Now remember, with the pasta, the packet says 10 minutes. So we'll only be doing it for 5 minutes because it's a pasta bake, so It cooks half in the pot and the other half gets cooked in the oven. Okay, the heat's on. Nice amount of olive oil. Put in the onion and carrot. Give that a couple of minutes for it to go tender. Just a medium heat. And spend a couple of minutes. Put in some salt. A bit of pepper. Pasata goes in. Okay, we'll give this another couple of minutes. Now we can, after about a minute and a half, start putting in the ricotta balls. Just lower the heat a little bit. Just give that a minute or two. Try not to handle the balls, they're a little bit delicate at this point. Give them a couple of minutes and then you can start turning them over. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Now you can start moving them around a bit more. Okay, pasta's ready to go in. And the salt. And the pasta. The balls are looking great. At this point, you can turn off the heat on the sauce and the meatballs, and we wait for the pasta to cook, then we combine it all in the tray. Okay, the pasta's ready, so we've strained it. Got our baking tray. In goes the pasta. In goes sauce and meatball, and keep saying meatballs. Ricotta balls. Cream. Mozzarella. A little bit more pecorino. And we mix it through. Fold it through beautifully. In a 180-degree oven, 15 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. That's what we're after. That crispiness. Very nice. There's the ricotta balls. Okay, let's dish some up. Beautiful ricotta ball. Some nice mozzarella. Let's have a taste. There you go, have a look at that. Let's have a taste. Ricotta ball. You guys are going to love this one. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.